Is your Neato making a weird noise? We're Kelatos IT, experts in technical repairs. We pick up your device right from your door, run a diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. We're located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. This issue often occurs when debris gets caught on the brush or a part is worn out. Regular maintenance can help, but if it's too late, we'll take care of it. Our process includes cleaning and replacing necessary components to restore your Neato to its best performance. If you don't want to risk it yourself, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right back to your door anywhere. Link in the description.